Uh, yeah. You guys might have seen already. Well, I'm about to post my Christmas special video, and I want to ask you guys. I don't know. Yes, I'll do. Hoping to get 1K subs. I can do like live for you guys, but I'm at 6. I'm depressed. Ooh. Oh, for a second, look at this drawing. For a second, I thought this was a drawing right here. The news one. Huh? Did I see? I saw a Gacha Life. Noise. Well, this was just anime. What in the world? Space? It's like Sonic. Lie, not again. I don't know what's going on right there. Let's go back here. Anime. Oh, gotcha, right there. Think I know who that is. I'm not sure, but you know me nice. Have you seen that one? Bam, bam, bam. And of course, the first one is a Christmas. Anyways, I'm gonna take a picture of this. I have a God's life. No, oh, do you guys like my background? I did it all by myself. So proud of myself. Yeah. Okay, let's go on God's life. Where's my camera? Where's my camera? Where's my camera? There. Okay, let's go on God's life. Take a photo real quick. There's going to be spoilers. I gotta edit my character. God's life is so slow for me. Anyways, guys, I might be posting Roblox videos and more God's life because I'm gonna get a computer. It's gonna be connected with my email. Yeah, that's Sophia. Don't. I know. I used to be such a high level. I used to be level 25, but then I lost some room because I was going to download a game and I lost all my progress. Okay, back to my character. Yes, I have edited my God's life character because why not? Okay, she's gonna be like this. She's gonna be holding a knife. Alright, good. Sorry if I keep on twisting and turning the camera. Because, well, my phone has like black spots. I have like these blackish spots. Well, black spots. And it's like very, very hard to see my character. So I have to twist and turn it over. So on your guys' screen, it might seem clear and all, but on my screen, it's just like. Ugh. Anyways, okay. So I'll ask you guys, what do you guys want on your Christmas list? You think I'm going for a GoPro, so I can go like if I ever go like outside with my friend. I won't show her face though, unless I have her permission and stuff. So yeah, I got the knife thing perfect. Face, no, face. I green just hair. So anyway, to have like, is there like a bandana that goes like around your neck to make? And then I'm gonna make it look like. Okay, that's other. Should be in the scarf area, like. I don't know. I mean, I do like this one right here. This one's good. Oh, I can't see it. I can barely see it. One second. Okay. The main, like, if you see it down, you're gonna see mostly white. So I might as well make it white. Just in case if you see it black, I love that. Okay, gotta get rid of the math. There. Eh. Okay. Three. Gotta add the shadow. Like, no, I gotta see the eyes though. This is weird, but yeah. Okay. Nope, I don't want this. I also got that. Should I be having a hat? I want to see what it looks like with a hat. Oh, what about crown? Okay, crown might work. And yes, we'll go with the demons. One white and the other one. Ooh, what? Oh, I forgot to clear the tail. Why's my tail like that? There's no. Oh, I did get it right now. Okay. How long is this video right now? I can't. Is this it? Nope. I can't see it. Oh, forget it. Forget it. It's fine. Black, right? We use this light black. There. Now it matches with the hair and all that stuff. Okay, I think my hair fits. No, wait. Right there. Should be like. No, yeah, we'll go with back with white. There. Yeah, it's better. I'm gonna do some with the socks. Which one is this one? Oh, it's that one. Ew, it's weird. I don't like the mouth as much. I gotta go. Oh no, there's the animation mouth. How many minutes is 9 minutes? Oh yeah, that's 9 minutes. Okay, we're gonna get a 10-minute video for the first time. Besides that Granny video. Granny was like 11 or 16 seconds. I don't know. I'm thinking of doing like ow. That hurt. I stabbed myself. freaking. Oh god, no, bleed it. It's fine. Just put my jacket over my toes and under it so it doesn't get on the bed. So I have a white bed that has no cover sheet. Anyways. Okay, that's good. No, too far. It actually went too far. Okay. Where is it? Ah. Red. Ah. There. Perfect. It's a masterpiece. I also did an animation. I'll just break up the pieces later. It's not a big deal. Oh no, I forgot to remove the characters. Oh, remove all. Oh, here's my character. Let me just hide the. So, what do you guys want for Christmas? Place things on the comments. And do you guys have any questions for me? I'm going to be doing a Q&A thing. So if you have any questions or dares, I might do. It's going to be dare and Q&A video too. I'm not sure how long it's going to be, but who cares? And also, what do you guys want to be when you guys grow up? Me personally, I would love to be an umpire, like with the character. I would love to be an umpire like my dad. Cause why not? I mean, like, I love baseball. I understand I'm a girl, but I don't play softball. And what is it? Oh, here. I'm blind. I'll be turning blind. Okay, make sure it's in perfect position. Wait, do you have the shadow on? The shadow can get. No, I forgot to change the background. I keep forgetting everything. I gotta edit this video still. I hate when I gotta edit stuff. Screenshot. There. 13 minutes. Nice. We're gonna get a 20-minute video, guys. I swear, we're gonna get a 20-minute. Oh, wait. Did it change? Is that 14? No, it's still 13. Nice. Okay. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Give it to the canister. Ooh. Okay. Use my background eraser, cause I can. I got blur all this stuff. Thank you for blurring it. I always think of everything else before time starts. Watch this. Watch this, guys. Watch this. Uh-oh. Bam. She's gone. She has no eyes. Boop, 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 boop. Guess what? No. Guys, play tic-tac-toe. So you go first. You want one right here? Okay. Okay, I'll draw it for you. Me, I want to go right here. You, where do you want to go now? You want to go right here? Okay. X. Oh, you got 2 now? No, I made it wrong. Hey, that's better. I'm gonna go right here. And you're gonna go right here. Okay. I'll go right here. And you go, oh, you want to go right there? Yes. Oh no, you already blocked that off. Oh well, I guess it was a tie. Good game, guys. Repair. I forgot about repair. Let me guess. Boop, 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 boop. How about down here? There. Yeah, that's a back. Oh no, tail. Down here. Over here. Bam. Is that all? I think that's all. No, wait. There, now that's all. Gonna go around a quick checkup. Around a quick checkup. Legs. Ew, that looks like poo. Ew. Meant to go for red, but who cares? I removed the arm. Okay. No, wait, I removed it. There. It's done. My masterpiece. Voila. There. Perfect. Perfect. Now let's delete that. Go over here. Did I just have YouTube? No, wait, no, that was the thing. Okay, we're back here. Oh no. Tired. It's raining. I'm cold. My jacket's gone. I'm still bleeding. Help. We got a new first person. Nice. Oh, where'd that girl? Oh, she's second. Anyone's still here? Wait, I got my character gone. No, please tell me. She gone. No, she's still here. No. No! Oh, there. She's parking 21st place. I don't even know who that made. No. Help, what's going on? Oh, no, I actually removed it. Oh. What is this? Oh, now let's actually get to working. And this video actually sucks. Not gonna lie. Edit. I'll edit it. Because why not? Because the blur wasn't working last time. Do I still have blur on? Yes, I still have blur on. Nice. Ugh. It's nasty draw. Oh no, it's frozen. Oh, what minutes are we up to now? 19. See, I told you guys I will get to 20 minutes. And you guys are just watching me doing nothing. Dun, dun, dun. no one's actually gonna watch a 20-minute video of a person just drawing. No one. Probably some people will, but they'll just mark the gallery. But some people just like, just leave halfway there, like saying 10 minutes, and I'll say, aha, we're gonna get to 20 minutes, and then the person says, no anymore, they don't even watch it to the 20 minutes. There, what? Go in there, okay, move out the way. No, stop. Go back. Delete this. I'm cold. I'm gonna put my jacket on me. I don't know where my blanket is. It's raining. I'm scared. I'm just kidding. I get loose. Hey. Plus. Add photo. That's my photo right there. No. Bro, keep it. Just kidding. Move. Freaking Japanese. Shout. Yeah, shout. Okay, I don't know what to do right here, but who cares? Okay, I gotta make the knife look all bloody. Oh, myself. Why is this thing so cute? Gotta go with red, because red is a beautiful color. No, wait. What? Oh. Did you ever do that? Going down. It's still raining. Oh my god, it's raining. Of course. Here comes my, no, that's not my aunt. Cool. Is she home? It's like 1 o'clock. They should be. Wait, is that her? Unless they're turning around and they went around. No, yeah, that's not her. God. God. Scared the poop out of me. Gosh. Gotta make the eyes glow. What color is that? What is that? What is that thing? Ew! I'm just kidding. That's the pupil, I believe. Should've gone red. The sparkles. Frick. Sorry if I cuss sometimes. Sorry. I'm so sorry. Ooh, what'd you? Oh, I got rid of the blush. Yeah, make the blood glow. This probably might be the best editing I've ever done. Because no one else appreciates how hard I put work in my edits, I mean. What do you guys think about editing so far? I'm growing. I'm becoming a big child. Gotta go like that. You can hear my dog barking in the background. Tetris. Have you guys played that game? I don't know. Heck, Tetris is a good game. I bet we're gonna get to a 30-minute video. Now I'm actually gonna pause the recording real quick. Hold on, and we'll pause the recording. I'm actually gonna. I paused it for a second. I'm actually gonna. I'll unpause it and so once you see the final touch. Okay, don't touch me. Okay, bye. I'll be back. Trust me. Trust me. This video is getting too long. Hold on. Okay, guys, I have the finishing item / person, and here it is. The screen. Guess what? Screen. But yeah, here it is. Glowing eye. I got too lazy to do this one because I'm a lazy person. Don't judge me, okay? I got the blood everywhere. I got the blood puddles. Now, where am I zooming at? Got the blood puddle. Oh, wait, no. I should have blood puddles in the back. I should download PixArt. Should I do it, guys? I don't know. Okay, guys, I made my decision. I'm actually going to do it and stuff. Can I put this as my background? Oh, my parents will think it's too bloody. Save as transparent, because I am parent. Because I'm a parrot. Parrot? I'm a parrot. Quack, quack. My God, it's raining too hard. Can't. Freaking water. Oh, God. Yeah, flash flood. Eyeballs. So freaking rain. You know what? Frick you, rain. Oh, shut up. At least I'm somewhere secure. I actually want to download PixArt. Anyway, guys, that is the end of the video. Like and subscribe, and see you next time once I get down PixArt. Anyways, I hope you guys like this video. Bye bye. Where's the button?